Oo.
You want?
Game ba kayo, game?
Game?
Actually, nung 40th anniversary namin, we did come up with this song entitled Ben.
Nakahamon na.
Oo. Nakahamon kami sa SB19. Written by Moy and Sweet. And it was actually a very witty P-pop senior edition.
Wow.
Song. No? And from that, when it was not released, but when people started posting it, ang daming mga SB19 fans na nagsasabing, kulang na to. So, we are open, we'd love to work with SB19. Love.
Matututo kayo sa akin.
At matututo rin kami sa kanila.
Yes.
We're very happy also that that song that Annie was talking about, it's called Bente, got nominated in Awit Awards in one of the nominees in the Best Novelty Recording category. So we're really hopeful that something that's meant to be funny can be taken seriously. So, but you know what? With anyone and anything in any genre, we are open as long as mabait yung artista.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, we've done during the time yung kinikwento ni Annie na nag-hit yung mga alt rock. We did a collab with Orient Pearl. We did a collab with Boom Dayupay with Boom. So we're open to anyone and any genre because we're pretty pliable musically naman. I'd like to think so. We will try. Whether it's effective or not is up for debate. But the fact is you're open to anything. Ang amin non-negotiable lang, dapat ang kailangan mabait at hindi mayabang.
Okay po. May na-encounter po ba kayong gano'n?
Dami.
Ay, dami.
Dami?
Sino-sino po yun?
Doesn't need that. We don't need to add more to the vitriol and the noise with what's happening in the world. But makikita mo naman you guys, this is your job. Yung nagtatagal na music artist or even in film or theater or TV or any form of art, yung nagtatagal, yung mga grounded, yung kilala nila kung sino sila at anong contribution nila sa industriya. I mean, this we learned the hard way because laking 80s kami, yung mga mentors namin 80s. But you really, and we learned from that you can come up with excellence in your craft without the need to be cruel. So, yun lang. Yung mga mababait at humble at hard worker, yun yung mga tumatagal tulad ng Neo. Yan yung tumatagal sa industry.